Real estate investing is often seen as a game for the wealthy, but you don't need deep pockets to start building wealth in property. With the right strategies, tools, and a bit of creativity, you can break into the market with minimal upfront capital. This guide will show you how to get started, even on a modest budget. 1. House hacking. Live and earn house hacking is one of the easiest ways to invest in real estate with little money. The concept is simple. Buy a multifamily property, e.g., a duplex or triplex. Live in one unit and rent out the others to cover your mortgage. Why it works. You can qualify for an FHA loan with as little as 3.5% down, making it accessible for those with limited funds. Your rental income helps pay down your loan while building equity. 2. Partnering with investors. If you don't have enough capital to invest alone, consider partnering with someone who does. A real estate partnership allows you to pool resources and share profits. Steps to start. Develop a clear business plan to show potential partners. Offer to handle the property management or marketing in exchange for their capital. Use a legal agreement to define roles and profit-sharing terms. 3. Seller financing. Seller financing allows you to purchase a property without involving traditional lenders. Instead, the seller acts as the bank, letting you pay them directly over time. Advantages. Often requires a smaller down payment. Flexible terms can be negotiated directly with the seller. Pro tip. Look for motivated sellers who are eager to offload properties quickly. 4. Real estate crowdfunding platforms. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise and Roofstock let you invest in real estate projects for as little as $500. These platforms pool funds from multiple investors to buy properties or finance developments. Benefits. Minimal capital required. Access to diversified real estate portfolios. Hands-off investing for those with busy schedules. 5. Rent-to-own properties. Rent-to-own agreements allow you to rent a property with the option to purchase it later. A portion of your rent goes toward the eventual purchase price. Ideal for individuals who need time to save for a larger down payment. Those with limited access to traditional financing options. 6. Wholesale real estate. Wholesaling involves finding undervalued properties, putting them under contract, and selling the contract to another buyer for a fee. It requires little to no money up front, as you're not actually purchasing the property. Key steps. Build a network of motivated sellers and buyers. Negotiate contracts with contingencies that protect your interests. Profit from the difference between the seller's price and the buyer's price. 7. Investing through REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are companies that own or finance income-producing properties. By buying shares in a REIT, you can invest in real estate without directly owning property. Why REITs are great? They're affordable. Many have low minimum investment thresholds. They provide exposure to commercial and residential real estate markets. Dividends offer steady income streams. 8. Utilizing government programs. Take advantage of programs designed to help first-time buyers and investors. FHA loans. Ideal for first-time buyers with limited credit history or down payment savings. USDA loans. Provide opportunities in rural areas with zero down payment. VA loans. Offer veterans and military personnel excellent terms for home purchases. 9. Start small with fix and flip projects. While flipping houses may seem capital-intensive, you can start small by partnering with contractors or using short-term loans like hard money loans to finance renovations. How to maximize returns. Focus on cosmetic upgrades that deliver the highest ROI, e.g., kitchen updates, curb appeal. Build relationships with local contractors for affordable labor. 10. Build sweat equity. If you're handy or willing to learn, you can save money by doing renovations yourself. This sweat equity can significantly reduce costs and increase the property's value. Investing in real estate with little money requires creativity, determination, and a willingness to learn. Every successful investor started somewhere, usually small. The key is to take that first step and remain committed to your goals. As you build your portfolio, remember, real estate investing is not just about making money, it's about creating financial freedom, stability, and a legacy for the future. The tools are within your reach.